Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 2 in Securities Law and Compliance. This is Professor Dunaway. I hope you all had a great week 1. I only received a few questions, so I think it seems like everyone's making their way around and getting everything complete. So that's great. So I did receive a question that at least one student wasn't able to see. So if you see it on the screen here, I have up what I see. They were not able to see the weekly office hours or the course roadmap. So I can see it, and so I wasn't exactly sure what's going on. So I did escalate the question. I haven't heard back yet, but I will. So if anybody else is having that same issue, if you could shoot me an email, that would be great, because I don't know how widespread it is. And again, since I can see it, I wasn't quite sure what's going on. So that being said, I'm just going to click into, so the office hours schedule for this term. You'll see the first 4 weeks are with Professor Walker Lightfoot, Mondays, 11 a.m. Pacific, and then the last 4 weeks are with me on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Pacific. So there's the schedule, and then the dates was the other thing. And again, this should be hopefully cleared up soon if it is a widespread issue, but here are the dates. So you'll see that again, last week was week 1. We end the term March 5th, and then your assignments are due the end of week 3, which is March 31st, the end of week 6, which is April 21st, and then at the end of the term, which is May 5th. So again, not sure what's going on, but looking into it. So if anybody else is having that problem, please let me know if you're not able to see that. So last week, week 1, we went over an overview of federal securities laws framework. So you learned about several different laws, the Securities Act of 1933. You learned about the Securities Act of 34. You learned about the Investment Advisors and Investment Company Act of 1940, and then some other miscellaneous topics that were discussed. There were several readings and PDFs we wanted you to take a look at, as well as there were 6 videos. So hopefully you had time to review all those. So this week we'll turn the tables and now discuss state securities laws or blue sky regulations. So if you click in the week 2 readings, they are all posted in here this week. So there are 8 PDFs to the various readings where you'll learn about blue sky definition of a security, exempt securities, fraud, offers and sales of a security, registration, securities registration, state investor protection, and then a couple other PDFs. So please take a look at all those readings. And then there are 3 videos posted along with the respective PowerPoints for each of those videos. So pretty clear cut. Again, hopefully everyone is getting through everything. If you do have any questions, again, feel free to email me anytime. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Next week, for week 3, we'll be learning about small businesses and securities regulation. I think that's it. So this week, do the reading, watch the videos. For the discussion forum, make sure that if you have not already posted your reply and your comments, to do that by, I'm posting this on the 17th, so by this evening. Otherwise, there'll be late penalties. And then for obviously week 2, you want to do your initial post by Wednesday night and then your replies by next Sunday. And as I mentioned already, optional office hours this week are Monday at 11 a.m. Pacific time with Professor, excuse me, Walker Lightfoot. Sorry about that. There's something in my throat all of a sudden. And then, as I also mentioned, your first assignment is due in 2 weeks from today, so the 31st. I just want to click on the office hours schedule just to make sure that I did not misspeak. So yeah, tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Pacific for office hours. Again, purely optional, but if you have any questions or anything, you can stop in. And I think that's everything. So I hope everyone has a great week. Again, email me with any questions or concerns. And if I don't hear from you, I will talk to you all next week. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.